Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to enable speak keyboard input allowed on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. After click on general management, click on Samsung keyboard settings. After click on Samsung keyboard settings, scroll down and click on swipe touch and feedback. After click on swipe touch and feedback, you will see if you want to enable speak keyboard input allow. So you will see speak keyboard input allowed is here. If you want to enable, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, speak keyboard input allowed is enabled. After the enable speak keyboard input allowed, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable speak keyboard input allowed on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.